Hi everyone! I'll show you how to remove hard gel nails safely and how to prep your nails properly in this video. After watching this tutorial, you'll be able to fix your manicure without any damage. First of all, I remove the old hard gel with the cutter at a speed of 25 to 35,000 revolutions. Then I prepare the nail plate and file the shape of the nail and the surface with a 150 grit file. The cuticle is raised at 50 to 20,000 revolution using F. Then I cut the cuticle with nippers. Cuticle section is polished with a cutter at 10 to 50,000 revolutions. I wipe the nails with an alcohol solution. After that, I start the process of applying a new coating.